Video I'll be discussing about 5 factors, untold factors that might be affecting your car rates in terms of insurance and how you can save money in car insurance. First factor is age. Drivers from the age of 16 to 19 tend to pay the most amount of money in cars. Due to the lack of experience, not understanding car, and engaging in stunt drive, they pay the most amount of money. Does not matter where do they live. But after that, drivers from 20 to 29 tend to begin more experience, and slowly the rate goes down. Depending on the record, depending on the experience level, insurance companies start offering them lower rates than before. Another age group who pay the most amount of money in car is from the age 60, above the age 65. Why? Senior citizens may be paying more due to their health condition. Sometimes they may suffer from severe health diseases, and it may affect, or it may put them to accidents, and the insurance cost usually goes up when a specific age group of people tend to do more accidents or engage in more insurance claims. So they may have more friends from the adult age group. When you have too many friends, then it's normal to to help them, dropping them off to somewhere, riding the car more than usual because you have plenty of free time. Sometimes what friends do is they may tell you to do something stupid, may want to do something that is illegal, may end up engaging in that illegal act, and that is another reason to be aware of. If you are someone from this specific age, try to take advice from senior citizens, senior drivers, and follow them. This way you'll be saving yourself from a lot of accidents.